Hello, everybody. First of all, I would really like to apologize for the inconvenience. Thank you so much for bearing with me. Like all of the other projects that we have here, my project was Smart Market Bot, and my mentors are Zishan and Maria Kelly. So the agenda for today is that I begin with a brief introduction about myself. Then we go to the project overview, the features, and the demo. And then we have the up next planned features that we've thought about. And of course, a huge shout out to the Rocket.Chat community. So a little about me. I am Vaishvi Khandelwal. I am a third year or penultimate year IT major at Veer Mata Jijabai Technological Institute, VJTI in Mumbai. I'm passionate about AI, ML, and building product level applications. That's what really draws me towards Rocket.Chat. Its integrity towards user friendliness. And although this work is outside of GSOC, I have truly valued the opportunity to learn and grow, and to have been given the opportunity to continue this outside. A huge thanks to Zishan and Singli for going out of their way. And yeah, let's connect on GitHub or Gmail, wherever. So let's dive into the project next. What is the Smart Market Bot? It's a Rocket.Chat app that will integrate crypto, stocks, and basically everything finance related inside of our UI. So that when you're having a discussion with your friends or with your colleagues and it goes on to finance or stocks or investing, you don't need to switch tabs. You can just, use the slash commands that Rocket.Chat provides inherently. And in just seconds, we get the response. So it helps users to stay informed, it will react faster, and it will centralize all the market insights. No more juggling between multiple tabs. Why is it important is that you will be able to take real-time decisions with a familiar chat environment. As we know that investing in stocks, they may seem overwhelming at first, but when we see it in a in an environment that is more friendly to us, that is more known to us, maybe we would be motivated to try our hands at it. So what can the Smart Market Bot do for you? Before we delve into the nitty-gritties, I'll just give a brief overview. So first and foremost, you will get the live price updates. If you just want to catch up, okay, how is it doing today? And not just today's update, you will be able to make a comparison because it will give you hefty amount of data to make an analysis of your own. Yet again, if you cannot make an analysis of your own, we have smart insights and summaries, wherein you would be provided with answers to your questions based on general finance, on news, or just all of everything. Third, we have custom watch lists. A user can create their watch list, they can add to their watch list, they can remove from their watch list, they can show the watch list to their friends, or just to keep a track of everything that they've been doing. Last but not the least, we ensure that the AI that we are using, that is the Gemini prompts, it does not hallucinate at any point, and it remains user friendly at all times. So without further ado, let's just dive into the demo. I'll stop the screen and share the local host. Okay, so this is let's start with I want to know the price of Apple today. So let's decide market update and the ticker name. There we go. We have the price, the market cap, the change, the OPHCV values, all-time highs and all-time lows. This will help the user to get an idea whether or not it is the correct time to invest in Apple today or not. And, next, if you want to ask, is it really the right time? So let's get an insight from the AI itself. What take does it have on Apple? So I'll say finance chat Apple. There we go. We have the AI that says that it has inconsistencies and red flags. There was low volume and circulating reply, so on and so forth. Right now, it says that we should not invest in this token. I think that is something that we should go about then, because like we see there has been no change. The volume was 4.56, and all-time high and all-time low are really close right now. So there's no point in buying. It's more the selling market right now. So let's just say I want to add to my watch list Apple, so that whenever the price goes down, I'll at least remember that okay, this was one of the stocks that I was thinking to invest in. So I go over here, and okay, so Apple is added. Let's see what was there in my sock before it. So, like if I go to show watch list. Okay, so my watch list previously had Tesla, BTC, and Apple. Personally, I do not have a lot of knowledge about BTC, so I'll just go ahead and remove that from my current watch list. So yeah, there we go, and I can see my watch list again. So what does it have now? So there we go. This is what the smart market bot is about. We can also get, if in the future I think of get invested in BTC or Bitcoin or crypto on the whole, I can get those updates as well. And then I can decide if I want to invest in it or not, so on and so forth. Um, let's get back over here. Okay, so that was all about the demo. Now, what's next with MarketBot? What's next with FinKit, I would say rather, because that's the name we came up with. Or maybe we can change it in the future. So market alerts, like I mentioned earlier, if I was interested in BTC or, I want to keep Apple in my mind in order to invest in it, I should get an update that, hey, there's a price low, you can invest right now, or this is the time you should sell. So we're trying to bring those market alerts. Next is predictive analysis. To get data backed forecast, so that we can speculate on our own when to look out for the change in Apple or in any of the stock that we want to. Third is robustness. We would try to make this much more robust, consider much more user scenarios from a layman to a pro person who's into investments and portfolios for a long time now. And last but not the least, maybe come up with better prompts, use better LLMs that are more fine-tuned towards finance itself. Although right now as well, we are ensuring that it does not hallucinate at any point. So lastly, I would really like to thank my mentors, Zishan and Maria. And thank you to the entire Rocket.Chat community for giving me this opportunity outside of GSOC. And even more importantly for today, with Murphy's Law and network and everything, for really being friendly about the entire change. That's I think what Rocket.Chat community is all about. And I couldn't be more grateful about it. So yeah, cheers to Force. Thank you.